Everybody, Richard Freeman out here again today at Toyota Sequoias. Beautiful, beautiful day. Jay, I got two very unique vehicles I want to talk about. Everybody loves the Sequoia. Everybody knows the Sequoia is hard to find. Well, Jay, I've got one of both generations. I've got a beautiful 2024 Sequoia Limited, only 14,000 miles, certified with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Now, this all-new body style is a tremendous vehicle. We can't keep them on the lots. You're looking at 21 miles to the gallon in the city, 24 on the highway. You can tow 9,500 pounds with this vehicle, Jay. So this is a beast, a luxury beast on the road. Beautiful ice white exterior. Check out this interior. I mean, it is beautiful. And again, it's a limited, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles. Really pretty black leather interior, gigantic touchscreen radio, bird's eye view camera. Just everything you can imagine and hope for in a vehicle. This one's got it. And it's only $75,950. You can't find these things on the lot. You are used. We've got one right here certified for only $75,950 with only 14,000 miles. Now everybody, this is a very desirable, hard to come by vehicle. Of course, it's got your tow package in the back. Even with all 3 rows of seats up, you got really good on cargo room back here. I mean, this is a super, super nice luxury vehicle. 437 horsepower, 583 foot-pounds of torque. This thing will do whatever you want it to do, Jay. Get you down the road easy and very comfortable. Now, for all you folks that don't want to go to that new V6 and you like the old school V8, I've got a 2020 Sequoia Platinum. Platinum's the top of the line trim level, same color, super, super nice vehicle. This one's even got the, what they call, that brown wood or redwood interior. That's the premium interior, leather interior. This vehicle's only got 19,000 miles. Still towed 9,200 pounds. Rear wheel drive, sit on a truck platform, V8. What everybody has known for years and years, what everybody wants. Again, this is even harder to find than the one I just showed you. And it's certified too. The unique thing that Toyota's doing, Jay, that it's hard for me to even understand it, but they do it and it's wonderful. This is a 2020, that's 2024. Both of them's got 7 years of warranty right now from today's date. Both of them's got 80,000 miles of warranty. One's got 78,000, one's got 82,000. It's just tremendous how much warranty you can get out of a 5-year-old vehicle. Again, this one's certified, 19,000 miles, and it's only $62,950. It's two really rare vehicles to find. Standing here right here at Toyota Sequoias, ready to go. So, all right. We had a great month last month. We're off to a good start this month. We got some good inventory. Our buyers have been buying lots and lots of vehicles. We're starting to get them all in the lot. We look a little thin right this second because they're all going through the shop, being serviced, being detailed, that sort of thing. But we got some great inventory. So come out here and see us. Remember, when you buy from Toyota Sequoias, you get more than a car. So thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Rich.